Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Automedia Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled The Big Decision. Imagine you want to build something amazing, but you have a whole workshop full of tools. A hammer won't build a circuit board, and a soldering iron won't frame a house. AI is like that workshop. It's not one magical tool, but a collection of powerful techniques. The big decision is about figuring out which AI tool or combination of tools is right for your specific problem. As a developer, this is your first critical choice, setting the foundation for success, or a lot of wasted effort. Forget the sci-fi movies for a second. In the real world, AI isn't a sentient robot taking over. It's a set of sophisticated computer programs and mathematical models designed to help computers learn patterns, make predictions, and even create new things. Think of it as a specialized toolbox for your coding projects. You wouldn't use a screwdriver to hammer a nail, right? Similarly, you'll pick different AI tools, algorithms, models, depending on what job you need done. Before you even think about code, the absolute first step is crystal clear problem definition. As a developer, you need to ask, what are the inputs? E.g., images, text, numbers, sensor readings. What is the desired output? E.g., A, yes, no, answer. A predicted number. A generated image, a summarized paragraph. What's the overall goal? E.g., save time, improve accuracy, create new content, personalize experiences. This clarity is your blueprint. Without it, you are just randomly trying tools. Most AI problems fall into a few big categories, like different types of quests in a game. Identify. Classification. Is this A or B? Like sorting emails into spam or not spam. Or recognizing a cat in a photo. The AI gives you a label. Predict. Regression. What number comes next? Like predicting house prices based on features. Or forecasting next quarter's sales. The AI gives you a numerical value. Create. Generative AI. Make something new, like writing a story, drawing a picture, or composing music based on a prompt. The AI generates new content. Understanding your mission helps you narrow down the right AI approach. AI models don't just magically know things. They learn from data. Think of data as the food for your AI. Just like humans learn from experiences, AI learns from patterns in the data you feed it. Quantity matters. More data often means better learning. Quality matters more. Bad data, incomplete, incorrect, biased, leads to bad AI performance. Garbage in, garbage out. Types of data: images, text, audio, numbers. Your data type often dictates which AI models are suitable. Collecting and preparing the right data is often the most time-consuming part of an AI project. Once you know your mission and have your data, it's time to choose the actual AI engine, the algorithm or model. Simple vs. complex. For identifying spam, a simpler engine might work. For understanding complex human language or generating art, you'll need a much more sophisticated engine, like a neural network or a large language model. LLM. Supervised learning. Most common. You show the AI asterisk examples with the correct answers. E.g., pictures labeled cat or dog, and it learns to find patterns. Unsupervised learning. The AI finds patterns on its own in unlabeled data. E.g., grouping similar customers together. Your choice of engine directly impacts performance and development complexity. Developing AI is really a one-shot deal. It's an iterative process, much like traditional software development. 1. Build, train. You choose an algorithm and train it with your data. 2. Test, evaluate. You check how well it performs on new, unseen data. 3. Refine, improve. If it's not good enough, you adjust parameters, collect more data, try a different algorithm, or refine your problem definition. This cycle of building, testing, and improving is crucial. Don't expect perfection on the first try. So, how do you make the big decision? Follow this simple framework. 1. Clearly define your problem. What are you trying to achieve? What inputs and outputs? 2. Understand your data. What data do you have? Is it good quality? How much? 3. Explore relevant AI approaches. Based on problem and data. Which AI missions? Classify, predict, generate, fit? 4. Iterate and refine. Start simple, test, learn, and improve. This structured approach helps you navigate the vast world of AI and make smart choices, even as a beginner. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.